One of the meals I enjoy making, often for lunch, but in this case dinner, is a sandwich with zucchini, tofu, onions, tomato, and eggs, all of which I fry up except for the tomato. Um, it's a fairly quick meal that I can put together decently fast, and doesn't take too much effort. Kind of just frying up the tofu and zucchini as I am now, and I'll later fry up the onions and eggs. I also generally will toast the bread because having everything warm is pretty nice. As with all the cooking I do it based off of what I can generally find cheaply. In this case, it's the tofu the store had for a good price, so I'm using that. The zucchini and onions are stuff from home, as this is currently September. And zucchini, it's like use as much of it as you can before it goes bad. And that in no way means I don't buy some things explicitly for making stuff, like the eggs and cheese, but that just makes this taste good rather than being, I don't know, dull or something. Not sure how well it would taste without those. And after frying for a couple minutes, these are done. I'll take the out. I don't think the tofu is done. I'll replace these with the onions. When I do take stuff out, I'll put the cheese on so it has time to be warmed up by the stuff that I've just taken out. And I'll continue frying these. Rebuttering the pan and turning down the heat before adding the eggs. I'm using a non-stick frying pan. I've tried this before with a steel frying pan, and that really did not work well. Everything just stuck to it even when it was really well greased. I imagine a cast iron pan would work well, though I've not actually tried that. And I'm keeping the onions in here because they take kind of longer to cook. They aren't quite done yet. And I don't like soft in my eggs, so that's why I pop the yolk, but if you do, you could certainly fry them up like that. This results in a messy, hence the knife and fork, but delicious sandwich. And this is just kind of thrown together from what I have, and it's, I don't know, quick, delicious. What's not to love?